Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Wood, one of the most common natural materials used in the manufacture of handicrafts, decor items. Products may vary in complexity, price and purpose, but they all have one thing in common. They are not only beautiful but also environmentally friendly. Handicrafts made of wood with their own hands give their room special value and originality. Below we have collected some great ideas. The structure of this natural material is hard and durable. Most wood items can only be made with a set of carpentry tools, which is usually used by men. Working with them involves the application of certain physical efforts. Women can also make light wooden crafts using simpler tools. The set of carpentry tools that men use when working with wood includes a hacksaw, electric jigsaw, in some cases a circular saw, as well as grinders, a drill, a chisel. Women prefer to work with more elegant tools. Many will be surprised, but in order to make most of the decor items out of wood, an ordinary secateurs, a barbell for wire, a glue gun and a small handful of decorative elements, beads, rhinestones, twine, etc. are enough. If the hobby has firmly entered your life, you can replenish the supply of weather on every walk. The material is lying underfoot in the truest sense of the word. The appearance of the share depends on the quality of the prepared vedo. Color, appearance, absence of visual defects, and damages are important. The main thing to pay attention to: lack of resin. For some crafts, good flexibility of vedo or twigs is important. Parts of a tree spoiled by plant pests. Discard, they do not fit. In order to keep the area ecological and not harm the trees, it is better to collect fallen branches or use branches after pruning the trees. Before being sent for storage, the blanks should be dried for 12 to 14 days in a dry ventilated room, after which neatly folded into cardboard boxes. If the wood is very dry, it can be lightly sprinkled with warm water before starting work. How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. Many people dream of having a country house with a beautifully designed territory. A lot of attention is now being paid to landscape design, and everyone seeks to use it to highlight their cottage. Indeed, it is interesting to arrange the adjoining territory of a private house, making it not only beautiful but also in the spirit of the times. When decorating a cottage area, designers use three main styles. Formal style. Its hallmark is rigor and proportionality. Here, the entire site is divided into symmetrical sectors that look rather laconic. This style is mainly applicable on large areas, about 45 acres. Landscape. Here on the local area, a natural landscape is recreated with the use of reservoirs, large trees and various stones. This style is quite difficult to execute and requires the obligatory participation of professionals. Thematic design. A certain idea is realized here. For example, the garden is designed based on a fairy tale. Whatever style is chosen in the design of the local area or the cottage, there are several basic elements around which the landscape design is created. When registering a private land plot, you need to pay attention not only to housing and landscape design, but also to all the little things that affect the overall perception of the territory. A wicket is an entrance to a private territory, which should leave a pleasant impression on guests and relatives. The entrance area plays not only a practical and protective function, but also a decorative one, which is why it is important to pay attention to the choice of the gate and its design. It makes no sense to talk about the functional significance of the wicket, since everyone knows the importance of fencing a land plot. The gate should have high strength and reliability, serving as a reliable fortress that protects households from entering the territory of criminals. When planning the fencing of the site, it is important to choose the location of the wicket, the type of its arrangement. In addition, it is important to determine whether only one wicket is enough or two are needed, front and for household needs. The standard width of the entrance to the site is 1 meter or more, which is quite enough for comfortable movement and carrying furniture. The height of the wicket is no more than 220 centimeters. The depth of fence posts is up to 1 meter, depending on the type of base. The height of the handle on block is 0.9 meters from ground level. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.